I'm hungry. I don't see anything here. There's nothing here but a bunch of junk. I don't see anything. Huh. Delicious carrots would be good. That'd be good. Hard decision. Okay, this is definitely not right because there's nothing here I want. Okay, just to be sure, I'm gonna have pudding. Pudding sounds good. I'm hungry. Can I go for a turkey sub? Nothing here. If only there was something here that was so good. Sorry about that. I had to barf from the floor. Okay, let's stay focused. Hi, shout out. Demon! Hold on, stay there. Anyway,